And as Koyaki Guiding School, which was located in Abusha Conservancy in the year 2005, and was offering one course, that is a certificate course in tour guiding and travel operations. However, due to the needs of the community, there was need to diversify into more courses that can serve the needs of the immediate surrounding community. And because we are located in Masai Mara, surrounding the game reserve, the community that is living here, the Maasai, are
better infrastructure for the students to be able to. This area where we are has provided us with opportunity in terms of space, that the land that we are sitting on, the buildings that we're having at the moment, much better in terms of space, and also enabling us to have an ample learning time for the students.
By profession, I've been in guiding school, Koyaki Guiding School, since 2013 to 2015, and have really benefited from the school. Currently, I'm working as a guide, and have really got a lot of benefits from that profession.
Na ripoti eo neo ego koro egituhe